In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sales tax automatically with Wix. If you're running an online store, managing sales tax can often feel like a daunting task, but with Wix's automated tools, the process becomes much more straightforward. Let's dive right into it. First, we'll begin by heading over to your Wix dashboard. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so using your account credentials. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for the Setup section. This is the area where you manage and configure various aspects of your online store, including payments, shipping, and of course taxes. After you're in the Setup section, our next step is finding the Settings option. This is typically located in the menu on the side of your dashboard. Clicking on Settings will open up a plethora of configurations that let you fine-tune how your store operates. In essence, it's your store's control center. Now with Settings open, let's focus on tax. Navigate through until you see the tax section and click on it. This area will allow you to customize your tax settings, which is crucial in ensuring that your store complies with state and national tax laws. Historically, many store owners found these kinds of setups overwhelming, but don't worry, Wix has made this as user-friendly as possible. Next, you'll see an option to upgrade in order to automate your tax calculations. Most of the time, this involves a subscription or an additional feature plan within Wix. If you receive a prompt to upgrade, just follow the instructions provided by Wix. Upgrading unlocks the feature that enables Wix to automatically compute and apply the appropriate sales tax based on the customer's location and the products you're selling. Automation is particularly helpful because it reduces errors in calculation, something every business owner wants to minimize in their financial dealings. As regulations evolve and sales tax rates change frequently, having software handle this aspect means you have one less thing to worry about staying up to date with. Finally, ensure that you review all new settings to make sure everything aligns with your business needs and complies with local laws. Once your automated settings are in place, your business will be better positioned to handle sales tax seamlessly, letting you focus more on growing your brand and less on administrative tasks. And there you have it, a streamlined process to set up your sales tax automatically in Wix. With these steps at your fingertips, tax complexity can become a thing of the past, leaving you to enjoy smoother transactions and greater peace of mind. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.